Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to hide your date of birth on your Google account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So click on settings right here. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google. So click on Google right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Google name. Then right here, proceed to your Google account. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is simply go to personal info. Then you have to simply scroll down right here and make sure you go to date of birth. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply switch to only you. Then having switched to only you, simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on save change. Updating birthday. And your birthday has been updated, which is simply means that only you will have access to your date of birth and nobody will be able to have access to your date of birth in your Google account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to hide your date of birth on Google account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.